Hey guys, welcome to Diecast Takeover. Today we have 3 glorious Jeep Wranglers. Well, one of them isn't really a Wrangler. It's a Willys. That's right, guys. We found a Jeep Willys in the wild. Look at that wild it's in. Volcanoes erupting. It's in the middle of a desert. Totally chaotic, but not anything this thing can't handle. Look at that. How cool is this thing? Oh man, I am so excited to unlock this. We also have the Matchbox Wrangler JL. Super cool. Can't wait to unbox this as well. Do some detail work on the front. Definitely deserves it. Very neat. Do something at the end maybe. And we also have from Hot Wheels the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. No need for introduction. Everyone knows what the Gladiator is all about. Or the Baja Blazers collection. Very cool. So honestly, I'm kind of more excited about this one right here, this JL. Hadn't really seen too many of these. I really can't wait to do some detail work to it. Bring it a bit more into a realistic look. We're going to do that in another episode following this one, so stay tuned. Oh man, and also this little Willys right here is quite the gem as well. I'm sure somebody's disappointed that I took this thing before them, but can't wait to do some of the detail work on this guy as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. Stay tuned for that video, guys. I'm going to make that right after this one, and I'll probably be posting it in a similar time. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we got our scissors. We're just going to start out with the Gladiator. I'm going to chop this boy open. Peel this back. Jeep Gladiator was sold with the Pentastar V6. Very well-known motor in the Jeep community. Nothing to write home about. Just pretty good. Pretty reliable. Not too much power coming out of it, but enough. I think it was enough more for the Wrangler, and I think some people were upset that this thing didn't have enough power since it was like a pickup truck. People wanted more out of it. But still cool. Very glad Jeep went ahead and greenlit this project. Even make a pickup truck Jeep. I think it's still very cool. Really like this casting. Love the dirt bikes. We're definitely going to have to do some detail work on them. I'm going to need to get some new paint supplies, so it might be a minute on that. But just go ahead. I'm so glad the grill already looks so good. We got the Rubicon sticker on it. This one is, of course, the Rubicon. Coming with the lockers in the rear. Super important detail that most people overlook when buying one. I know a lot of people who have Rubicons probably don't even use it, but you definitely should. Take your Jeep off-road. There's no point in keeping them on the pavement. They were built and designed for the dirt. Let's go ahead and get this JL open. So the JL came after the JK. I honestly like the update to the JL. I think they didn't change too much. Somebody who doesn't have a well-trained Jeep eye. They made some subtle differences with it, mostly in the taillights. The rear setup is just a little different. I think the license plate goes down here now. Like I said, can't wait to do some detail work on the front. I'll make this thing a bit more realistic looking. Very cool. Oh, I love Jeeps. And you know, I feel like I kept seeing a lot of the 4-door ones, and I hadn't really had any of the of the pickup truck. I hadn't really had any of the actual full hardtop ones, so a little different compared from the Matchbox to Hot Wheels. The grill's size is quite different. The overall greenhouse space on the inside is a lot bigger on this one, so a little different, but still both very good renditions of this car, of their cars. Let's get this thing open. Willys. Wow. Very cool. This thing looks pretty great, honestly. Such an iconic front end. Started it all. Gonna do some detail work on the windshield. So cool. I got the Warren winch. So I don't think it doesn't even have a Warren winch. How funny is that? Got a lot of Warren winch stickers on it. How cool is that? The rear tail end. So neat. Wow. This is a really neat casting. Gonna have to get these things in some photos together. How neat is that? Alright guys, thanks for staying tuned. That's going to conclude today's episode. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping into Diecast Takeover.